So this is the Craftsman 120 tooth ratchet. I'm pretty excited to see this one. See if multiple gear teeth matter or if coarser is better. Anyway, set up, here we go. Oh, teeth failed on it. Right there, it won't ratchet anymore. So this is the first ratchet we've actually had fail internally. Generally, they break the anvil. So this is the first time the teeth have actually failed. Interesting, yeah, it's got some lines up right there. So, that sucks. Anyway, you know what you've all been waiting for, the snap-on ratchet.